circuit, water circuit. We have seen the steam circuit. Steam circuit. Let us discuss different circuit. What is that? Then coal circuit. Just few I just will discuss very briefly. What is the other circuits? Ash circuit, because ash form. Then we discuss air circuit. Yeah, because air is required. How it is going? Yeah. Then flue gas circuits. Oil circuit. Then any other things? What are the things what I have told? I have told that water is required. Where the water will go? In the boiler. In the boiler, water will go and will evaporate and will become steam. And water who will send? Now there are many things, many components are there. There's the regenerative heaters are there. Okay. Then we will come one by one. Regenerative heaters is there. Then steam where it will go? Steam will go to it will be generated in the water tubes. Then it will go to drum. From drum to superheater. Then reheater. Then it will go to the turbine. Coal will come from the unloading stations to the crusher house. Then by coal conveyor it will come to the bunker. Then bunker from the feeder will control the amount of coal. Then it will go to the mill where the coal will be crushed, and from there it will go to the furnace. Coal. Ash is two types. One is the fly ash, one is the bottom ash. What is the bottom ash? The bigger size after burning coal. So bigger size of particle, so that will become bottom ash. And the fly ash is a micron size. Very micron size, very fine dust that will go through the circuit and it will come out through the chimney. So that is the fly ash circuits. So there is many components are there. What? ESP, electrostatic precipitator, is the main thing for collecting the bottom fly ash. How that will be discussing. The bottom ash. And the bottom ash circuit, there are also components. Scraper conveyor, clinker grinders, there are some components of the air circuits. Air is two types. Air is the combustion air. One is the combustion air, another is the transportation air. What is the combustion air? Because for burning the coal or oil, we need the air. Then who will supply? Some fans are there. Forced draft fan or FD fan. So FD fan, that is the forced draft fan, will supply the air inside the furnace. Another is the transportation air. What is the transportation air? Suppose in the mill we have crushed coal, have been crushed, but who will carry this crushed coal to the furnace? So we are sending some amount of air. Who is providing? There is another fan is there. That fan is called primary air fan. So that primary air fan will go from air from this primary air fan will go inside the mill at high pressure. They will take the crushed coal and will come out from the mill and will go inside the furnace. That we have seen in the last. So this is the air circuit. Then the flue gas circuit. What is the flue gas? After burning coal and oxygen, C plus O2 CO2, H plus O2 H2O, S plus O2 SO2. This CO2, SO2 and some amount of carbon monoxide, all these gases forming the flue gases. Flue gases, what is the purpose of the flue gases? Flue gases after forming is very high temperature. They transfer their heat to the water because water has to be converted to the steam. So how it is transferring? There is two methods. One is the radiation method and there is another is the convection method. In the boiler if circuits we have seen, the boiler is the two pass. So this is the pass 1. This is the pass 1 and this is the pass 2. And we are firing here. This is the combustion zone. Then here the firing take place. We are injecting the coal and diesel. So this part is called radiant zone. And flue gas, after forming, the flue gas is forming here. And flue gas is going these circuits like that. So this zone is called convective zone. will come again come convective zone, and flue gas will come, and finally it will come out through the chimney. Flue gas will finally come out through the chimney. There are many components here: superheater, reheater, economizer, air preheater, electrostatic precipitator, and then it is coming. So this is the flue gas circuits. Then oil circuit. What is the oil circuit? There oil circuit means, so initially I cannot burn the coal, so I need the oil. So that means there will be some fuel oil tank, some fuel oil is there. What type of fuel oil? It is not a petrol diesel. It's very low quality. That is called HFO, high furnace oil. So there is oil is different types: HFO, high furnace oil; LVFO, LDO, light diesel oil, light diesel oil. So these types of very crude type of oil we are firing initially for igniting for ignition inside the furnace. After that, that heat picks up, there is a flame is there, then we inject the coal. So that is the oil circuit. And there are many other